Let's be honest, real estate law sounds intimidating. Contracts, closings, contingencies. It feels like a world built for attorneys, not everyday people trying to buy, sell, or invest in property. But here's the truth. It shouldn't feel intimidating. In fact, I believe real estate law should be just as approachable and empowering as handing over the keys to your new home. Let's start here. Why does real estate law feel intimidating? A big part of it is the language. Legal documents are filled with terms that feel like a different language. Things like easements, title encumbrances, or special warranty deed. But the other part, it's the pressure. Real estate is usually the biggest financial transaction most people make in their lives. So when there's legal language you don't fully understand, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and afraid to ask the dumb questions. That's where I come in. A lot of people think lawyers are for worst case scenarios, lawsuits, disputes, disasters. But real estate law isn't just about reacting when something goes wrong. It's about proactively protecting what's yours and giving you the confidence to move forward. Whether you're buying your first home, selling a property with unique circumstances, or investing in a rental, legal support is not just for high-risk deals. It's for anyone who wants to feel confident and prepared. You deserve that peace of mind no matter what your price point. Here's where I do things differently. I explain things like I'm talking to a friend. I walk you through contracts and closing using plain language, not legal jargon. If something's confusing, we slow down. If you have questions, we answer them without judgment. My job isn't just to do the legal work, it's to translate it into something that makes sense to you. That's how I empower my clients, by making them feel informed and in control, not lost in legalese. One of my favorite parts of this work is getting to know my clients' stories. I've worked with people buying their dream home after years of saving. I've helped families navigate tricky inheritance properties. I've supported investors who want to do things right from the start. Each case is different, but the goal is the same: to make sure you feel supported, protected, and seen. You don't need to pretend to be an expert when we work together. That's my job. Your job is to dream, decide, and move forward with confidence. If you're looking for a real estate attorney, don't just ask about experience. Ask about communication. Can they explain things clearly? Do they make space for your questions? Do they treat you like a transaction or like a human being navigating a big decision? You deserve someone who's in your corner, not just legally, but personally. That's what I aim to be for every client I work with. So if real estate law has felt intimidating in the past, I hope this changes that narrative. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to feel like it's only for experts. You don't have to navigate it alone. If you're ready for legal guidance that feels more like a conversation than a courtroom, let's talk. Because real estate law should make you feel more confident, not more confused.